People, we're gonna be cutting this Wiser WR5 here for my grandma, and I got these key blanks. Luckily I got them from my mom there where she works at Peavy Mart, so I was lucky enough. I'll be turning on the machine now. Might be a little bit loud, so watch out for your speakers there. Okay, here we go. Make sure your shoulders are matched up with your guide and your cutter. Okay. Okay people, I never brushed it off yet, but I'll show you the finished project. I'll show you the difference between the original. This was the original. Okay, now this is a new one. I'll be matching them up just in case, you know. Take this off the keychain. Oh yeah, perfect. 100% success. Now it's time to brush them off. Make sure you have it facing down so it shoots the shit out to the bottom. It doesn't go back or go forward or back in the grooves. Example. Put some pressure on it. Ah, shit. That's not good. Not too much. Okay. Finished project. So we got a quick set up here. We'll be cutting a quick set number 1. KW1. Okay, here we go. Okay people, sorry for the, okay, I got her done. I had the wrong key, I used an SC1 slag for it, but, we got her here. We got it. It's, quick set number 1, and, yeah, I did a good job of it. Okay people.